Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Software Sanyasi. Today, we are tackling a problem from Leetcode that involves navigating a file system. We'll explore how to determine the minimum number of operations needed to return to the main folder after a series of change folder operations. Let's get started. Here's the problem statement. The Leetcode file system keeps a log each time a user performs a change folder operation. These operations are described by a list of strings called logs, where each string represents an operation. The operations can be // move to the parent folder of the current folder. If you're already in the main folder, you remain there. // remain in the same folder. x/ move to the child folder named x. Given a list of such operations, we start in the main folder and perform each operation in sequence. Our task is to return the minimum number of operations needed to go back to the main folder after performing all the change folder operations. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Input logs equals d1/d2/ d3/d31/ output 3. Explanation. Start in the main folder. Move to child folder d1. Move to child folder d2. Stay in the same folder, D2. Move to child folder D3. Move to the parent folder, back to D2. Move to child folder D31. To return to the main folder from D31, we need three operations, // and /. So, the output is 3. To solve this problem, we'll use a simple approach to keep track of the depth of the folder we are in. We'll maintain a counter depth. For each .. operation, we'll decrease the depth by 1 unless we are already at the main folder. For each .. operation, we'll do nothing. For each x/ operation, we'll increase the depth by 1. At the end, the value of depth will give us the number of .. operations needed to return to the main folder. Let's walk through the code that implements this logic. Here's what the code does. Initialize depth to 0. Loop through each operation in logs. If the operation is .. and the depth is greater than 0, decrease the depth by 1. If already in the main folder and the operation is .. or the operation is .. do nothing. For any other operation, a child folder, increase the depth by 1. Return the value of depth. This will give us the minimum number of operations needed to return to the main folder. And that's it. We've successfully determined the minimum number of operations needed to return to the main folder after a series of change folder operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.